Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the worksheet 2 of rational numbers as decimals. Now coming to the third sum, find the decimal representation of the following rational numbers. So now you are confident, like in the first worksheet and second worksheet you have seen which all numbers can be written as a terminating decimals, which all can be written as a non-terminating, isn't it? So here the denominator is 4, so you can use the first worksheet method, isn't it? So it is a 27 by 4. So minus 27 by 4 multiplied by, remember the first worksheet, multiplied by 25. 25 fours are 100, numerator minus. Now 25 into 27, if you multiply you will get 675. Now minus 675, 2 zeros, so the decimal place will be 1, 2, 2 decimal places, isn't it? So the answer is minus 6.75. So now the worksheet 1 and the worksheet 2, both methods you have to follow, because they are not mentioned whether the long division or the other method. So if they mention long division, then do that method, otherwise you can use any method. Now it is 60. Here you cannot convert by this method, so long division only we have to do. So 37 divided by 60. Now 60 is bigger, so 0, decimal point, take extra 0. 6 how much are 37? 6 6 are 36, 6 zeros are 0, 6 6 are 36. So it will be 0, 10, 7 minus 6, 1. Take extra 0. 6, how much are 10? 1s are, 1 zeros are 0, 1 6 are 6. So the remainder is 40. Take extra 0. 6, how much are 40? 6 6 are 36. So 360. Again it will be 40. Take extra 0. Again 6 are. So it is repeating. So the answer is minus 37 by 60 is equal to 0.6166. Repeat, that means 0.616. The last 6 उसके ऊपर भाग डालो. Now coming to the third sum, 18 minus 18 minus 18 by 125. You remember this method, isn't it? Minus 18 by 125. So 125 8s are, it will be denominator, it is 1000. 125 8s are 1000, and minus 8 8s are 64, 8 1s are 8, 9 10 14. So minus 144, 123, 123 decimal 0. Answer is minus 0.144. So sorry, here it is minus because the rational number is minus. So the decimal also it will have minus 0.6166. Okay, don't forget to put the sign. लॉन्ग डिवीजन के वक्त विदाउट साइन करते हैं, लेकिन फाइनल आंसर में नेगेटिव साइन डालने का है। नाउ -15 upon 8, again 8 can be converted, isn't it? 8 125s are 125 8s are 8 125s are. So denominator will be 1000 minus 15 5s are 75, 15 2s are 30, 37, 15 1s are 15, 16 17 18. So now minus 1875, 2 zeros, sorry 3 zeros, 1000, isn't it? 1 2 3. So the answer is minus 1.875. Hope you understood the third question, either by long division or this method. Even long division also you can use, no problem. But this method you are confident it is easier one. Now coming to the fourth sum, if the numbers 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4 plus 4 by 5, when you add all, it is expressed as a decimal, will it be a terminating or non-terminating? Justify your answer. So, when you add these two, it is a fraction, rational numbers. So, what we have to do? LCM. Addition, subtraction, we have to take the LCM. So, the biggest number is 5. So, 5 का टेबल बोलते जाओ, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are, ऐसे करते जाएंगे तो LCM आएगा, it is 60. See, 5 4s are 20. बट इधर है, इधर नहीं. देन 40 इधर है, इधर, बट 60 इधर भी है ना. इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 3 ऑल्सो. सो नहीं तो द कॉमन डिविजन मेथड करके आप लोग एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करो. सो इट विल बी एलसीएम इज 60. सो 1 into 2 30s are 60. Second lesson, 2 3 20s are 60, 4 15s are 60, and 5 12s are 60, isn't it? Remember this method. Now directly also you can do, you can skip this method step and you can do directly. 2 30s are 30, 1s are 30, 3 20s are 20, 2s are 40, isn't it? 4 15s are 15, 3s are 45, 5 12s are 12, 4s are 48 upon 60. Now it is you got 185, it is 13 1 4 4 4 4 4 means 4 times 116. So you got 163 upon 60. Okay. Now the denominator, so this is just like the question number 2. You got the rational number 160 by 60. So denominator is 60. It is in the lowest term. So lowest form. So denominator is 60. Now find out 60, 2 3s are 2 15s are 3 5s are 5 1s are. Means the prime factors of 60 are 2, 5 and 3. That means extra 3 is also there. Therefore, it will have non-terminating decimal representation. Now this addition, it is not needed if it is a objective paper. So just by seeing the denominators, see 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. So if you take the LCM, it is 60. Otherwise 2, the prime factor is 2. 3, it is 3, 2, 2 and 2, here 5. So extra here 3 is there, here 2, 2 and 5, but 3 is there. So that means it will have a non-terminating decimal representation, isn't it? So understand the sum properly. So you can find out whether it is a terminating or non-terminating. If one of the number is other than 2 and 5, then it will be the non-terminating. Okay. So that was question number 4. Now coming to question number 5, it is true or false and justify. Means say why it is true or false. So 22 by 7 can be represented as a terminating decimal. Denominator is, it is in the lowest form. First it is in a lowest form and denominator is 7. So that means it will have non-terminating decimal representation. Yes or no? Why? Because denominator is 7. So answer is, they have told terminating, that means it is a false. Justify means we have to tell why it is so. Now 51, 512. So 512, denominator is 512. It is in the lowest form. It is in a lowest form. Now denominator is 512. It can be written as, so 512, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 5s are 10, 1 remains, 12, so 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 remains, 6 are 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That means 2 to the power 9. It has got only 1. It is 2, isn't it? 2 9 times. That means is it a terminating? Yes. So answer, yes, it is true. Okay. Now for 19 upon 45 can be represented as a non-terminating. Non-terminating. Now 19 and 45, it is in the lowest form. Now denominator is a 45 and 45 can be written as 2 45 cannot be by 2, so 3 ones are 5s are 3 5s are 5 ones are, so it is 3 square and 5. So 3 is there, that means it is a non-terminating, so answer true. Understood? Now it is a, so when 3 is there, it cannot be a terminating, it is non-terminating. Now 3 by 17 cannot be represented as a non-terminating, cannot be. So 17, it is in a lowest form, denominator is 17, so prime factor is also 17, isn't it? That is 17 into 1, that is 17 prime factor, so it is a non, it has non-terminating decimal representation. But in the question they have told cannot be represented, so the answer is false. It can be represented as a non-terminating, but in the question they have told cannot be. Now if 3 by 2 and 7 by 5 are terminating, because denominator is 2 and 5, now 3 by 2 plus 7 by 5 will also be terminating. Yes. So the LCM will be 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 2 7s are 14, means it will be 29 by 10. It is in the lowest form. It is in a lowest form. Denominator is 10 and can be written as 2 5s are 10. So therefore it will be terminating decimal. Is it true? Answer true. Now 1 by 4 and 1 by 5 have terminating decimal, because this is 2 2s are 4. Then 1 by 4 into 1 by 5, when you multiply, how much? 4 5s are 20. Now it is in lowest form. Denominator is 20, can be written as 20, 2 10s are 2 5s are 5 1s are, 2 square and 5. So it can be represented as a terminating. So it is again 2. Is it okay? So we have completed the worksheet 2. Hope you are confident of terminating and non-terminating decimals. How we have to see without finding the doing the long division method. Okay. Bye. Thank you. All the best.